Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hello, my name is Julie. Welcome. Thank you for being here today. I'm actually going to be showing you guys a product I fell in love with. So I'm going to tell you guys the story behind this. On Thanksgiving Day, I ended up blow drying my hair because no se me alcanzó a secar on time before all the family got to the house. So I ended up blow drying my hair, and for those of you who have been following me since the beginning, you guys know that I went to cosmetology school. So I would do all the blow drying and the hairstyling with the blow dryer stuff at school. So I kind of know how to blow dry my hair and style it, the volume, the little curls. When your hair's on, when you have layers on your hair and you freaking blow dry it and style it, oh my god, that looks so freaking beautiful. Anyway, so the day of Thanksgiving, I ended up blow drying my hair. And I was taking forever. The family was gonna get to the house already, and Steve's older sister, shout out to Evie, she was like, Julie, I have a blow dryer brush. And I was like, what are you talking about? Me going to cosmetology school, I was thinking like, okay, whatever she brings out, I know it's not gonna be as good as what I'm actually doing to my hair right now. So she brings it out and I end up using it, and I totally fell in love with it, you guys. I ended up buying it the next day. I went online. I'm like, dude, I have to buy this brush because I freaking fell in love with it. So I want to introduce to you guys the Revlon hairstyling volumized, and babe, I'm almost done.
I got my sweater.
Why? And blow dryer, volumized, and hairstyling comb from Revlon. This is the new one. I didn't know they actually had a different one, but this is the one I bought. They have it in different colors, and I'm going to be showing you guys how it works today, and I'm going to be giving you guys a review over it, which my review is totally recommendable. I recommend everyone to buy this. It is freaking amazing, and today I'm going to be showing you guys. You guys, it's been so hard for me to breathe lately. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my hair. So before you guys start, I do want to mention that your hair has to be 80% dry. If you have long hair, it's better to be like about 70 to 80% dry, because you might start drying your hair at 80%, and you might start at the bottom, and if you have long hair and thick hair, by the time you get to the top, it's already like at a 90, and it's really hard to style. So but you guys do want it to be like about a 70 to 80. Right now mine is like an 85, and that's because I actually took a while doing my hair, my makeup, because I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm in my room at my parents' house, and when I was getting ready, my mom was in here, so I kind of took like a while. Y se me secó el pelo poquito, pero you guys know that my hair is like super freaking fried. I fried my hair. It's getting a little bit better now, but I freaking fried my hair. It's terrible. I cannot comb it when it's wet. I always have to comb it whenever it's dry, because o si no mi hair siente como una liga. But this thing has done wonders. I am so in love with it, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So what I do first, you're gonna need a pinza. I don't have a pinza with me, so let me come right back. All right guys, so I have my pinza here, or hair clip, whatever you guys call it. Muchos lo llaman I don't even know, but some people le llaman algo diferente a esto, pero yo le llamo pinza. So I always start at the bottom, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and just part my hair to here. Okay, you guys see this? My hair is like super bad. Like the movie Super Bad. So me lo agarro a bottom section. I just make a bun up here, and I start blow drying. So as you guys can see, I'm going to show you guys para que miren que I'm not kidding. My hair gets really tangled. There is no way that my fingers can get through that. unless I go like this. Pero it's really bad. I mean, I'm gonna show you guys how this thing detangles my hair, it dries it, and it styles it at the same time. The blow dryer or the brush, it has a cool button. It has an off. I'm gonna focus it off. It has a cool. It has a low and a high. So the low and the high son más como like hot air, and then it has the cool one. I always go to the high one, so I twist that away. Okay, you guys, this is not even dry yet. It's still a little bit wet, but it already detangled my hair. My hair feels super freaking soft. Oh, and also I freaking forgot to put my oil, which is here. So I'm gonna be using this Super Shine avocado oil, and I'm gonna add a little bit to my pelo. And I put it on by sections. It's always better to put it on like cuando está todo junto, but I put it on by sections because, like I said, my hair is so freaking dry that when I try to do it when everything's together, like en medio no me agarra oil because está bien pinche enredado. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And then also, if you guys want volume in your hair, it's always good, instead of blow drying going this way, it's always good to start at the bottom and kind of like blow dry pulling away. If you want extra volume, it's always good to, like, you guys want to like just pull it up. The reason why you're blow drying your hair up, it's obviously not going to stay up, but when it drops, there's going to be like a little volume here, y ya cuando te haces todo el pelo, your hair looks so freaking beautiful. Okay, you guys, this is my first section. My hair feels so freaking soft. I love this freaking brush. Like, it is so magical. I love it. I totally recommend everyone to buy it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and then once I get to like the crown area, or like the top of my hair, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I do the top. I'm at the crown of my head. Literally, I was only off camera for like 10 or 15 minutes. This is faster than light. You guys, it's so freaking easy to blow dry my hair. As you guys can see, there's volume in it, and my hair falls so nicely. So as you guys can see, I have like a circle or triangle or square at the top. The back sections, I always blow dry them backward because I want my hair to be very volumized. I'm going to be adding some water because it's dry already. So always remember 70 to 80% dry. And I'm going to be adding some oil as well. And this is the way I blow dry the back section of my hair. So I'm going to get the blow dryer and I'm going to brush it forward towards my face. to volumize from the top, and I'm going to be doing that all the way, maybe all the way up to here. To here. And then this section, I'm going to part it either in half or to the side, depending what look I'm going for. So I'm going to go ahead and do this section, and I'll be back with the front part of my head. All right, we're almost done. Okay, now the front, I'm going to go ahead and section it in the middle. I'm going to part my line. And we're going to do it here. Guys, my hair is so freaking bad. I'm going to do this side first. All that water. And let me go ahead and add baby oil. Avocado oil to this side. And blow dry. You guys, we are done. Miren qué hermoso se mira mi pelo. Se mira bien volumized. Can you guys see that? Look at all that volume. I love it. This is how it looks from the back. It feels so soft. And you guys know that my hair is fried. So for it to look this good, being fried, I totally recommend it, you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Now that we're done, I want to here's a proof, that this thing is magical. You guys, if you guys need something for Christmas, I totally recommend asking Santa for one of these. If you're a guy and you're watching this, I totally recommend you get this for your girl or your girls. They're gonna love it. She's gonna love it. For your mom, your sister, whatever it is, whoever it is, I totally recommend this. And yeah, well, other than that, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to turn on your bell notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.